Today unboxing is on the recent BM Creations with a Bathing Ape Suzuki Jimny casting. This is my very first BM Creations Suzuki Jimny, and it looks awesome in the Bathing Ape signature camouflage livery. Packaging wise is quite economical. The casting is held by blister inside the box, and behind you can see the contacts for BM Creations. This Jimny looks awesome in the Woodlands Camo livery by Bathing Ape, and extra rubber tires is also included with a Bathing Ape branding on it. For the roof is very clean, it comes in matte black with the AAPE logo on top. What stands out is really the Bathing Ape camouflage livery wrapped around the whole casting. Plenty of details on the front with a plastic insert headlights and a very clear Suzuki Jimny logo on the grille. On the side, you can see the Bathing Ape logo and also the mascot with the tagline. This Jimny also comes with opening doors features, which I'm going to open it later, and also a suspension. The antenna and the spare wheel set is a nice touch to add details to the casting. And now let's swap the rubber tires to the ones marked with a Bathing Ape. Wow, it's done. Now this casting looks very loud. To be honest, I prefer the ones without the Bathing Ape marking on the rubber tires. And this casting is now a statement with a Bathing Ape brand. Opening doors is quite stiff. You have to try a couple of times to pry out the doors. And after you open it for the first time, the subsequent will be easier to open. But still, opening the doors requires a little bit of effort. Very happy that the interior is also very detailed, given that it's a 1:64 scale. Overall, apart from the difficulties of opening the doors, it's a great casting. And this casting will definitely stand out in your Suzuki Jimny collection with a Bathing Ape camouflage livery. More BM Creations unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.